Christmas is a family holiday, and we decide to cook our favorite dishes so all the family members are happy. Let's start with gratin that looks like roses. Cut those zucchinis into thin slices. Then 1 carrot, 3 potatoes, and 2 bell peppers. Join the veggie slices and roll them. Put potato right into the mold. For the sauce, melt 1½ ounces of butter, add 3½ ounces of flour, and stir. Then pour in 7 ounces of milk, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and stir again. Add salt and pepper to taste. Cover the veggie rolls with this sauce and bake for 20 minutes at 320. That smell is coming from the kitchen. Unbelievable. I can't resist tasting it. Oh, my wife won't let me. Well, I'll cook something interesting then while she's setting the table. It'd be great if our kids joined us. But he loves playing on the phone, just like all kids at his age. Although Mom still has a chance to get his attention. And meanwhile, I'll take care of the asparagus. Boil it for 5 minutes in salted water. Roll out dough and divide it into 6 pieces. Place salmon onto every piece, then asparagus, and wrap up envelopes. Well, it looks like I'm out of asparagus, but I clearly remember I cut enough pieces. Here it is. My wife has it. Naughty one she is. Prank me. Take away asparagus for the last envelope. Coat the dough with egg wash and bake it in the oven for 15 minutes at 345. Melt butter, add 2 egg yolks, pepper, and salt. Heat it up. I see my wife's plan failed again, and son is still quietly playing on the phone instead of helping us. I'll try to get his attention and play with him a little. Meanwhile, my wife keeps on working and goes to cook caprese wreath. Place basil leaves onto a plate, 14 ounces of cherry tomatoes, 10 ounces of mozzarella, and 5½ ounces of soy sauce. A cheese platter will complete our variety of appetizers. Cut 9 ounces of each cheese into cubes. We've got marble, melted, and goat cheeses with herbs. Assemble a Christmas tree. Add a cucumber, an ounce of crackers, sprigs of rosemary, and 10 ounces of pink and light grapes. And also cherry tomatoes. I just left the kid alone, and he's on the phone again. Mom can't take it anymore, so son's gotta get a task to decorate the Christmas tree. While he's busy doing that, we can keep making our holiday menu bigger. We cook a meat roll. Add half a cup of flour to 10 ounces of ground beef. Also, spices and 2 eggs. Let's have a break because holiday calls need to be taken. My son apparently has his own plan for his meat roll. He did a lot of trouble while I was gone. But I got so carried away with the call to notice it on time. I don't suspect anything, so I keep on cooking according to the recipe. Fry 3 ounces of mushrooms and onion. Place the mushroom filling onto the meat. Add on to herbs and 3.5 ounces of grated cheese. Make a roll and bake for 30 minutes at 390. For the sauce, cook 3.5 ounces of cranberries with sugar and pass it through the sieve. Sprinkle the ready roll with sesame. Decorate with rosemary and pour the cranberry sauce on top. Yeah, now I can taste it. So delicious.
Ah! It's hot, spicy, give me water! I see it now!
That's why your son went out of the kitchen so happy. That's all right. Our little chef will pay for it. So let's cook a veggie snack. Fry 3 cloves of garlic and butter with spices. Then put on whole carrots and stew them for 15 minutes. Then bake for 20 more minutes at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Everyone can't resist going to the kitchen to enjoy it. I will attack the first thing I see, but my wife says that I only need to cut this fruit with a knife. Pomegranate is big, it'll be enough for the whole family to snack on it and to decorate the dishes. Decorate the cooked carrot with cilantro, pomegranate, and bechamel sauce. The time for the son's revenge has come. Me and my wife decide to give him a hot dog with a carrot instead of a sausage. He hates vegetables. That's why we have to use our imagination. He gets the needed vitamins somehow. It looks like he figured it out. But if he started eating it, he should finish it. And meanwhile, I'll get to cooking a holiday pie. Boil and peel 3 beets, crushed nuts, dried apricots, and plums. Put the ingredients onto a half of puff pastry. Sprinkle with dried fruits on top and cover with the other half of the dough. Bake for 20 minutes at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. The Christmas tree is all decorated. Time to cook our iconic family dish, baked duck with apples. Add 3 sprigs of rosemary to 3.5 ounces of butter and grate orange zest. Add 3 salts and pepper to taste. Cook the duck with it and stuff it with apples and oranges. Decorate with orange pieces on top and bake for 1.5 hours in foil and then another hour without foil at 355. The duck is done and everyone has a holiday outfit on. We can start our holiday dinner. Light up sparklers, pop party poppers, share smiles. And our son just passed the level of his game.